I'm at the Back to the 50s show with a 59 Cadillac we just completed at Rad Rides by Troy. It belongs to Randy and Lisa Wilcox. We just finished it up at the shop. If you look at the car, we made a lot of refinements to the trim, the fit and finish of the trim, and lengthened it and capped off the ends of it. All the trim is all sent out and put in copper, and then we sand the copper to make it fit the body nicer, and then we chrome plate it. The bumpers have been pulled in, and when you do that, then you have to widen them to make them fit the body. Added rack and pinion steering to it. The car has all coil-over suspension, so it sits this height all the time. The frame's boxed in and finished nicely, but it's still a stock Cadillac frame. It has the new Cadillac CTS-V supercharged engine in it. It's made to look like it fits in there. Valve covers are all custom made to cover the coil packs. The wheels are all custom made out of aluminum. Even the center caps are billet aluminum CNC machined. The interior's all done at our shop by Adam Banks. Custom seats. It has a custom steering wheel in it that we actually made. The color is started out as a BMW color, and then we added more blue to it to kind of go better with the interior. The roof is supposed to look kind of like the brushed stainless roof on the old Eldorados, but it's actually a wrap that we had put on there. Tried to just take what Cadillac already had there and refine it and make it the fit and finish nicer and better.